Hey, what's up, everybody? Cincy Jake here, doing a box of Diamond Kings. I just love this stuff, and I can't get enough. Get dual autos, frame cards, numbered frame cards. Yeah, DiMaggio. Uh, Dual relic autos again. Throwback players are what I really like. That's a Mel. I really want the Babe Ruth or the Lou Gehrig. Some other big names. More dual autos. Uh, Dual patch framed. Gil Hodges, another throwback mini. Uh, Clemens. So I just love this stuff and I can't get enough of it. I know it's not the newest product, but man, where else can you get a Babe Ruth relic? So let's do this. It's Cincy Jake, Cincinnati Trading Card Company, on eBay, on YouTube, and trying to get more places. Trying. Uh, this is Diamond Kings, man. If I could pull a Clemente, I would probably just lose it. Not as many packs as a lot of other products, but I think there's what, 18 packs. But you do get 2 autographs from memorabilia cards on average. Sometimes I usually get two hits and a numbered to 99 card. Some of the cards I've pulled have been numbered to 15, 25. It's just, I don't know, it's really cool to pull something that low. I haven't pulled an of 5 yet or a 1 of 1. I would love that. Goodness. Haven't had any giant monster hits, but I've had enough just good hits to keep my attention. I love it though. I wasn't going to buy it, and then I watched my friends over at Card Collective opening it, and this guy has hit, not all at once. 2 Babe Ruths of 5, a Babe Ruth of 3, and a Lou Gehrig of 5, all relic cards. Man, how cool would that be? There's so many more in the product. I don't know how he got that lucky. He got a loaded case, or he's bought mini cases. So that doesn't hurt. As far as me, I like sports and non-sports. Opened a box of Walking Dead. Got this sick Daryl to 99. Did a little research. Those parallels, not Daryl, but those parallels in general are usually about 2 to a case. So I got lucky. I'm all over the place. I don't know. I dig cards. I'm sure you do too. You wouldn't be here. And one more pack. And then we are off to the races. Here it is, 2016 Panini Diamond Kings. Let's do it. That's a monster. That is a monster. If I... 1 of 1, Ken Griffey Jr. Artist Proof. Black Artist Proof. 1 of 1. First card pulled, a Griffey 1 of 1. Woo! I was hoping when I saw 1 of 1 it was going to be a lot different than that. I was hoping for a signature, but 1 of 1 Artist Proof Black. Ken Griffey Jr. Holy shnikes. Very first card. That's hard to read. 1 of 1. Wow. Whoa. Griffey. I'm in Cincinnati, so if you know Griffey, you know that's important to me. Wow. 1 of 1, Black Artist Proof. Sweet. Alright, how can I focus? It's a Goldschmidt aficionado. A few base sets I'm trying to collect. I'm definitely a set collector. a set builder. My second hit, 47 of 99. That's a Hector Olivera. That's a blue bordered subset. It's pretty cool. I like the blue border. I like anything bordered. Uh, DK Originals, Frank Thomas. I don't have that one yet. Oh, there comes a mini base. Got a Heritage Collection, Frank Robinson. Mini Joe DiMaggio. I would love to build the mini set, but there's over 200 of them, and you get 2 a box, I think. So we're not going to do that. Conforto rookie. Nolan Ryan. Puckett. It's also parallels. The parallels are not hugely limited, but still, they're kind of cool. Shoeless Joe. I'm just blown away by my Griffey. Blown away. There's a Kirby Puckett. Look how young Kirby looks in that picture. One of the greatest. Murphy, Gray, Clemens, Pujols. Here's a hit. It would be a Trey Turner. 39 of 99. Ooh, sketches and swatches. Auto Relic, Trey Turner. That's a nice hit. Man, this is the box that keeps on giving. Wow, buddy. Sketches and swatches. Man. Mr. DK. Panini did well on this box. DiMaggio. And that doesn't even... It's a Honus Wagner. That doesn't count all the base I'll get towards my set and the subsets. There's the brown. Browns are not as rare as the blues. They're not numbered, but they're still, that's a tough set to build. Man. Nope, there's something else. Correa, Archer, Gaddis. One more hit. Studio Portraits. JD Martinez. 2 relics. This one. Also numbered. 86 of 99. So, if you're watching, you're probably liking it. You know why I like it, at least. DK is awesome. I'm not a high-end collector of museum collection and all that other stuff that people are in. I bought into some tier 1 breaks. Spent $50, I think, and hit 0. So Diamond Kings, more up my alley. I'm the average Joe. I wish I could buy into those things, but they're a little ridiculous. Oh, look at that. They're a little ridiculous. Oh, come on. I know there's one in here. JD Martinez. It's pretty sweet. I know Tigers fans will like that. Woo! There's a... Usually you can tell by the turn backwards. That's a Corey Seager parallel. We've got 2 or 3 of those. They're not all that rare. Pettit Expressions. That's the 3rd one. I want the expression set, and I keep pulling Pettit. Not that I don't like Pettit, but I don't need 5 of them. Base Griffey. Let's see, Altuve, Giancarlo. The last little bit here. There's a... Come on, baby. Second mini. Like I said, there's only 2 per box, and there's a couple hundred, so you have to buy 100 boxes and hope you got no doubles. Or eBay. I'm sure there's plenty on eBay. Oh, there's another good one for me. It's my PC, Joey Votto. Aficionado. That'll go in the set. And it's a part of the PC. Sets in my PC. Oh, I needed that one. That's the Curry Pocket variation. I needed that. Put that to the side. Griffey expressions, which I like, but I think that's the other one I keep pulling. I think Pettit and Griffey are in the same box every time. Ellington, Gallo, Russell, DiMaggio. Got a Heritage collection, Robin Young. Schwarber rookie, Biscotti rookie, Pompey, Dickey, Betts, and Marte. Well, that's it. That was a good box for me. I pulled J.D. Martinez, Studio Portraits. Trey Turner, Rookie Auto Sketches and Swatches. That's a nice card. Trey Turner was supposed to be one of the top rookies. And then Artist Proof Black, 1 of 1, only one on the planet. I don't know if you can see that, 1 of 1. It's hard to read. 1 of 1, only one on the planet, and it's Ken Griffey Jr. Wow. That's pretty freaking cool. My first 101 from DK. It's a Griffey. Love it. Anywho, guys, Cincy Jake here, Cincinnati Trading Card Company. Check me out. Buy some stuff on eBay. Just hang out, watch some videos, whatever. All right. See you next time. Later, guys.